Hi, here we are then in the next part of being a great English language learner. So far we've covered your writing homework, doing what the teacher tells you to do. We've covered your writing checklist and your notebook. Today we're going to talk about the plastic folder. The plastic folder is really important to help you be a great English language learner. And for 12 years, I've been telling all of my students, get a plastic folder. Now here's what it's for. First of all, let me tell you the difference. It's important for you to know the difference between a worksheet and a handout. So a worksheet are the things you get, usually in your classroom, with an explanation of a language point and some questions on there for you to answer, and you work through it. That's a worksheet. Your worksheet should be kept in a folder and separated into subjects, language areas, so that they can help you in the future, like your notebook, when you go back and check. Don't scrumple them up when you finish writing them. You can use them for revision later on and for checking your understanding. But what we're talking about today are handouts. And I give my students a lot of handouts. Handouts are an in-depth explanation of a language point or language area. And they're really useful. What you need to do is buy yourself one of these. This is a plastic folder. Within the plastic folder itself, I'll show you in a tick, are pages or folders. Plastic folder, plastic folder, plastic folder. And you can get them with 60 folders, 30 folders. These are really important. Every time your teacher gives you a handout. So this is one of the first handouts I would give to my students. If you're one of my students, you'll recognize this. This is the pronoun table with subject, object, possessive adjectives, possessive and reflective pronouns. The reason you put this in here, in that way, you have access to all your handouts. This one's irregular verbs. Yeah, here's your phonemes. Here's your modal verbs, little explanation. What you do is you carry this everywhere you go. If you're in the classroom, you can easily access the information you need in order to do those workshops, in order to join in the class. When you know the subject of the class, you can turn to your relevant handout. You can find it easily in your folder, and it doesn't get grubby, dirty, it doesn't get crinkled, it doesn't get messed up, and you always know where it is. And you can find it anytime you need it. When you do your homework, plastic folder should be on your desk where you can easily access the information you need. Plastic folder, another step for you to be a great English language learner. I'll see you next time. Stick with it, guys. You're doing brilliantly.